How to close your Lazada seller account. In this video, you will learn the 6 easy steps on how to cancel your Lazada seller account in the platform. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get the best tips and the important things to remember before proceeding with your cancellation process. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! It is important to remember that closing your Lazada seller account is a permanent action and cannot be undone. Ibig sabihin, once na delete mo na yung seller center account or Lazada seller account mo, hindi mo na ito mababalik o hindi mo na ito ma-recover ulit kung sakalit magbago ang isip mo sa future at gusto mo uling bumalik sa pagbibenta. Therefore, it is advisable na pag-isipan mong mabuti itong desisyon na gagawin mo bago ka magtuloy sa cancellation process mo. In addition, you should ensure that you have already completed all pending transactions or shipments before closing your account. Now, I'm going to show you the screen record tutorial on how to do this step by step. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie, Noche, and I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to close your Lazada seller account. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to. And smash the like button. And subscribe to my YouTube channel para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next vlog.